Uria anene thirikari-ini makoretwo magiukirira ceceni cia umemerekia kwenderera kana gukorwo makienda mugethaniro hingo ya mirurugano uria mwandiki munene wa ministry ya ukinyaniria ya mitambo ya ICT niwe oikaine ta Prof Edwin augite Umemerekia inyitanire na thirikari niguo kunina mihinga gatagati kao na kuhiga muingi na gukorwo makionereria muingi mwena uria mwega akana gukorwo makionereria muingi undu uria mafatie gukorwo magika no ti gukorwo makienderera mwena wa mugethaniro.
The government has no intention of backing the media. So your friends in media and the ones who are here can see this is KTN. No. Government gains nothing, totally nothing, and it is a useless job to think that the preoccupation of our government is to gag media. No. You haven't seen me threaten the media, and I will not. I want us to work together because media is part of us. So you must communicate this message to our media houses. And what the government is asking for is not a sycophantic support from the media. Media should criticize us as much as they can. But media should also desist. Just like we don't want the media to be the extension of government, we don't want media to be the extension of government. They must stop and look at themselves and become neutral arbiters.
And we felt that there was a consistent gap across how government and media relate. I think everyone says that. And we are not short of quantity of communicators, PR people, journalists, former editors, propagandists and all that. We are not short of those. What we are short of are quality, organized communicators, people who can package the government message. I am saying that because of the Media Council, mostly from government, departments, agencies and ministries, is a complaint about misrepresentation, no facts and all that, isn't it? And the media says, tuliuliza wako kusema kitu, isn't it?
So let's share, those of us who are senior, let's